Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable text-to-speech option on Discord, which looks like this. We can use /tts command and then we can write our message. So let's type, for instance, hello, and it sounds like this.
Subscribe. Said hello.
If you want to enable or disable this option, we can go to user settings over here in the bottom left corner, and then we can go to accessibility settings over here under the app settings. Now scroll down all the way to find text-to-speech, and here we have allow playback and usage of TTS command. We can disable this option or enable whether you want it or not. If you want to, you can also adjust the speed of text-to-speech by moving the slider to the right or to the left, and then you can also use this preview button in order to listen to how it sounds like.
This is what text-to-speech sounds like at the current speed.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.